Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video after a long time. Our customers have been demanding gifting items from us in a huge quantity, so we decided to bring about some more gift varieties for all our customers. What we have today is 9 to 5 silver notes. What is special? What is different? We'll tell you everything guys, but before that, make sure you subscribe to RN Enterprises channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for videos on all our latest and trending silver products. So let's start by looking in depth at these notes. When you'll get these notes, they'll come packed inside an envelope just like you put money in an envelope. And when we open this envelope, what are you going to get is the 9 to 5 silver note. There are two varieties, that is two currency notes available for this product. We will look at them one by one. Taking out a note from the first envelope, here's what you get. A 500 rupees silver note that is made out of silver. It comes packed in a lamination to protect it and maintain its self-set standards. Gifting has never been so easy and beautiful. 9 to 5 silver notes take gifting to next level where you can just stand out everyone with such an affordable item. No matter who the person is, these notes can be perfect to anyone. You can buy expensive gifts for your loved ones, but why not try a great gift that is much budgeted in comparison to those gifts? Excited to check out the second currency note? Obviously, as many of you might have already guessed, the second currency note is the rupees 2000 note. The most interesting fact about these notes is that these 500 and 2000 rupees notes don't cost you rupees 500 and rupees 2000 respectively. Instead, these notes have a common price which we will discuss in a later section. These notes cost the same because of these notes are determined by the amount of silver used in them, no matter what the currency note is, because the size of both the notes is same. This makes both these notes amazing, and once you give them to anyone on any occasion, they are surely going to remember it for a long time. These notes serve as a memento since everyone gives money, but rarely someone stands out with something like this. As you can see, this note is a complete copy of the exact 2000 rupees note, both from the front and the back. Of course, you won't get that RBI label mark. And same is the case with the rupees 500 note as well. It is an exact copy of a 500 rupees note, both from the front and back sides. Talking about the price determination, so silver products are priced based on the weight of the product and the labor charges that are involved in the making of the product. Thus, no matter whatever is carved on top of the product, the prices will be the same if the weight and the labor charges are same for the category. So this makes the notes price same, making it a much loved product from RNE. We will look at a comparative view of both these notes in the next section of this video. This is how both of these notes will look if you make a comparison between them. Let's compare sizes of the two notes with respect to each other. If you place them on top of each other, you can see there is no difference. The length, the breadth, everything is completely same. Now let's check out the pricing of these silver notes. So a 500 rupees note will cost you rupees 542.5 and a 2000 rupees note will cost you rupees 601. To order these notes, what you need to do is to just go to a new tab, search for our website www.rne2005.com, press enter. Once the website loads, go to the home page, go to the top right corner of the website. In the search bar, type the 9 to 5 silver notes, wait for the suggestions to load. Once the suggestions load, click on the go button and the results page will show up. choose any of the note whichever you want to buy, and once you click them the page will open, and then you can select the quantity and place the order. So that's it guys for this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to click the like button if you like the video.